ymlaen gan Kay at Will Evans. Evans yn gry heibio I gums. Will Evans yn dal I fynd. Evans ar ergyd. A mi oedd angen yr arbediad. Dyma'r bel I gefn y rwyd gan Venables. Ond y dyfarnwr yn sylwi bod yna drosedd yn y cwrt Cosby. A di Venables ddim yn hapus. Gwaith da gan Will Evans yn y lle cynta. Venables yn canfod cefn y rwyd. Ond y drosedd cael ei dynodi gan Mr Jenkins. Sean Smith, Bala yn pwyso. Dyma Mendes want a lle gan Mendes. Mendes ar ergyd o'na chi gol campus! Losana Mendes! Mi gafodd o lawer gormod o le. Dim gobaith o gwbl I Ryan Woods yn y gol. De Bala yn hyddiannol ar y blaen. Woods, mynydd o gliriad at Josh Amos Buckley yn ôl at Amos. Amos ar ergyd! Golwr ddim yn argyhoeddi. A'r bel yn cael ei chlirio allan. Sean Smith. Evans yn ôl at Smith. Mae Venables yn y canol. Mae Macreth yna hefyd y creisiad I mewn at Venables! Ac yna Macreth ar rwsyd rywfodd. Ryan Woods yn rwystro honna rhag mynd I gefn y rwyd. Wel y croesiad yn un campus, y peniad yn un da gan Venables. Ond dath I ddim I mewn. Leslie ar arwydd. Un ddofn y tro hon at yr ochr bellach I gefn y rwyd gan Tony Kay. Ar hen ben Tony Kay. Bala, dyblu'r fantais. Bala 2. Fflint dim. Hart. Ildio'r meddiant. Leslie. Venables. Na chi ergyd gan Chris Venables. Dim gobaith o gwbl I Ryan Woods yn y gol. 12 munud o'r ail hanner y triffwynt yn sicr bellach. Macreth yn y le ar yr ochr bellach gan Venables. Dyma Mendes. At Steve Leslie. Leslie'n mynd tro bell. O'na chi chwip o ergyd gan Steve Leslie. Dim dathlu. 9 munud ar hugian o'r ail hanner. 4edd gol i'r Bala. Ac efalla gol ora'r gêm hyd yma. Henry Jones yr eilydd. Ar gic gornel at y postyn gosa. A mi mor hawdd a hynna I Chris Venables. Wel, sgorith o ddim gol haws y tymor hwn. Ail gol Chris Venables. 5ed i'r Bala.
We needed a response from last week, and the last few weeks haven't been good enough, and we've had a few harsh words in the week and a few meetings, so it was needed. So the lads have responded really well and can't fault them, and work rate and the finishing today was outstanding.
5-0, difficult to take for me, very difficult to take for the playing staff, for the staff and for the players, because you know, you work all week on the basis of knowing what we think that Bala would bring to the game today. Fair play to Bala, I thought they were full value. You know, they were probably smarting a little bit from the difficult period that they've had currently. And we caught them at the wrong time, really, and they probably caught us at the right time, because I think that on the back of you know, the current situation, 6-0 last week against TNS, and I think some of our players are feeling sorry for themselves a little bit. And I think that when you're in a period like that, you look for the characters to try and pull through and drag them through. And I'm not going to criticise my players, because I've only worked with them for, I don't know, maybe 12 training sessions and a short period of time. I know some of them better than others, and I'm finding out about them really, really quickly. And on the basis of that, you know, things have got to improve, and we've got to change certain things to make sure that those performances and those results don't continue, because it's simply unacceptable, and you know, and I won't stand by and allow those things to continue. If
we get into Europe, it's a massive boost for the club, and everything to do what we work hard for. So, you know, we just focus on next week now. We don't set our targets. You know, there's so many good teams in this league, and if you slip, you'll get caught. So it's important that we address ourselves every week on a weekly basis and perform like we have done today and like we have done throughout the season, apart from the last 3 games, and we should be okay. But if we're not, then we'll be in trouble. But the focus has got to maintain from today into next week, whoever we play, and then keep driving on.